And we have a rumble at the waterfront. Reyes says, let's get it on.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre. Mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. July 11, 2015, ang pinakaunang malaking pagsubok sa batang karera sa boxing ng ating kababayang si Mark Magnifico Magsayo nang kalabanin niya ang tigasin ng Mexico na si Rafael Reyes. Yan ang pag-usapan natin sa videong ito mga pre. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman pre. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga videos ko. Bago matuloy ang laban ay nagsabi itong Mexicano na mas gusto niyang makaharap si Albert Pagara, pero sagot naman ni Magsayo ay dapat dadaan muna sa kanya ang Mexicano at para matikman ang lakas ng kaniyang kamao. Ang laban na ito ay co-main event ng Pinoy Pride 31 na ginanap sa ating baluarte at para ito sa bakanting IBF Youth Featherweight title. Sa laban na ito, bit-bit ni Rafael Reyes ang boxing record na 17 wins, 4 losses at 13 dito via KO. Habang ang ating pambato na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo ay may malinis at walang bahid na kartada na 10 panalo at 8 dito ay via KO. Sa mismong laban, unang round pa lang ay nagpakita agad ng kahambugan itong dayong Mexican, pero di ito kinatakutan ng ating kababayan.
Oh, good. Left to the box. Maganda mga jab ni Magsayo, pero kumakasas si Reyes. You can see the eyes of Reyes focus.
Oh, he got covered with it. No, think about Reyes. To left hook by Reyes. Oh, beautiful. Keep hitting me. Oh, now he caught up. He got into trouble with that overhand right.
Getting cocky itong si Reyes. Magsayo, very patient. Kick, clock. Reyes coming again.
And
The speed and power.
Pero,
Good right hand. Sneaky right hand.
Overhand right.
We have a fight, Ronnie.
Yes, we have a
Slow down. Oh, another right hand by Reyes. Magsayo
Uppercut.
getting nailed in uppercut. Opening round.
Yes, that's a good run. And a good left jab.
And the cocky Reyes saying, why back? Reyes countered with a left of his own.
Good left by Reyes.
Sa pangalawang round, patuloy ang aksyon at bakbakan. Literal na nagsusuklian ng mabibigat na kombinasyon ng dalawa at patuloy pa rin ang kayabangan nitong Mexican.
Good body shot by Sayo. Reyes comes back.
Up.
Yun ang importante. Oh, good right hand.
Reyes, right in
Uppercut.
parehong malakas sa dalawang boksigero.
Body shots by Magsayo. A flurry of left hook. And Reyes is smiling and comes back with the body shot of his own.
But also getting a taste of the power of Reyes.
Yes.
Reyes wild with the left. Body shot.
Magsayo covering up.
Oh,
What the
left.
men do, what the trainers do in the corner, what they tell their fighter, how they analyze the previous round. Good left foul.
Sayo.
Shot by Reyes.
Malakas din yung mga birada ng Reyes.
Oh.
Ronnie. Good right hand by Reyes. Nailing Magsayo. Magsayo again. Nailed by another right hand.
The bell, end of the round.
Estamos viviendo donde soy, vamos a probar mucho de oportunidad. A sacar campeones como usted, a sacar campeones. Ahí está López también, lo ha lanzado varias veces Rafael Reyes, tratando de buscar y de probar la mandíbula, sobre todo del Magnífico. Fíjate que era el ataque despiadado, pero bien cubierto.
Sa third round, dito na nga bumagsak ang kalaban at nabilangan, pero sabi ng Mexican ay low blow daw ito, pero sagot naman ng referee ay it's a no. Dahil dito nagalit at mas naging agresibo itong Mexicano.
Malupit ang Magsayo. Appears to... And it was clear.
Yeah.
Ayaw kaya ba yun sa no. Low blow. boxing. Reprieve very much in control, saying no low blow. And we have a rumble. Reyes says, let's get it on. The crowd, hindi nila gusto yung mga antics ni Reyes. Knocked down. Credited to Magsayo. Ginigit ni Reyes. It was a low blow. Sabi ni referee, it's a go.
Good right hand by Reyes. You know, this guy's tough.
Oo. Buhay pa. Ito si Reyes. Nagilap sa pag-arap. Kaya dito muna. Okay, Magsayo. He comes in with a lot of confidence. Oh, may holding. Kita. A low blow. What action? Umuusok ang low now. Good right hand. Good right hand by Reyes.
Magsayo caught going in.
Tinamaan na niya ng uppercut si Magsayo. Hindi pa niya nakapitalize because he complains too much. Body shot.
Beautiful uppercut by Magsayo. But Reyes comes back to the left. Final 10 seconds.
Front.
Into the right.
Kontrobersiya talaga. Nabumabalo ang dulo ng powder. Close call. Pero nasa belt eh. At sabi ni referee Abainza,
No, that's on the belt
right on
line.
the belt eh. Hindi naman totally low, no?
But see,
Sa 4th round, dito tumira talaga ng klarong-klarong low blow ang Meksikano. Dahil dito, bahagyang nagising ang natutulog na leon sa kamao ni Magsayo. Nagpaulan ng mga combo, pero di nagpahuli itong hambog ng Meksikano. Lumaban at nagpakita ng tapang.
Yung sarili ng blow. Payback. May konting payback. Ready to go? Oh, yun ang
you have 5
sabi niya. Totoo yun. There's a 5 minutes. In-introduce ang rule na yan, mga kaibigan. Para maiwasan yun. Uy, kitang-kita.
Kitang-kita.
Yun ang kitang-kita. Oh,
Matapang
good
ito.
left. Matapang, ha? At malakas sa butok. Ang ganda ng palitan. Reyes just casually walking away. Good left by Reyes.
Good coming. Good combination by Magsayo. But that must, alam mo na, Magsayo must get a little frustrated.
Maganda din eh.
Oh, because he's hitting with some grip.
Torres, unadulterated action. At nagtutukayan sa bakbakang Magsayo at Reyes ng Mexico. PSP Featherweight Championship. Good left by
Big right hand, cracking right hand. He nailed him with that punch.
There was a wallop of a right hand mula kay buong loob dito si Reyes, ha?
Oh, madalaman ito. Makbaban talaga. Beautiful left by Reyes.
Right hand by Reyes.
Magsayo got caught.
Magsayo backtracking.
Sa pang-5 round, patuloy ang maaksyong laban ng Pinoy at dayong Mexican, pero di na mapigilan ang gising na leon sa kamao ni Magsayo. Dahan-dahan itong nilalamog ng kaniyang kamao, pinaulanan ng mga suntok hanggang sa bumagsak ang kalaban ng matamaan ng uppercut na solido ni Magnifico.
Alam mo ba, si Magsayo, this is the first time he's really in a fight.
Oh. There is no backing out para kay Reyes. He is coming in with a lot of confidence.
Reyes again. Another hard right to the side of the head. Yung feeling ko, Magsayo wants to take some punches so he can give punches in return. That's not a good uppercut, but that's a dangerous tactic.
Delikado. This is a war of attrition. Matira matibay, Ronnie. Magsayo figuring in his toughest fight as a professional. Ito naman si Reyes, dapat El Reclamador eh, hindi El Guerrerito.
Magsayo should just, don't worry about this guy, just concentrate on what you have to do. Another beautiful finish.
Hilo si Reyes. Gonna play.
Oh, beautiful right hand. And Reyes must go down.
Reyes is hurt.
Oh, another cracking right hand. Reyes in trouble.
Dito natapos ang laban. Panalo ang ating kababayan Baya KO sa ika-5 round at tinanghal na bagong IBF Youth Featherweight Champion. Sa una niyang pagsubok na ito ay pasado si Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Shoutout kay Rondi Barles from Nueva Ecija, Vincent Sagarino, Ivan Arique, John Kevin Pagay, James Miao from Albuera Leyte, Nuli Interina from Tanggob City. Ingat kayo dyan pre at maraming salamat sa panonood.